Tingnan natin kung anong kalalabasan pati doon sa technical working group. I'll leave it to the chairman.
Pero,
I'll leave it to Senator Francis.
Pero SP Katulad po yung nabanggit kanina ni FMD, yung Truth Commission noon na declare na unconstitutional dahil dun sa lawak ng magiging kapangyarihan. How do you balance po?
Ay, hindi naman. Siguro we've learned from the past. We've learned from the past. Kaya hindi nangyayari dito. Alam ng committee ni Francis kung paano ang pinakamunan ng solusyon doon para maiwasan.
Sir, pag na-create yung IPC, what happens to the ICI?
Magkakaroon ng parang sunset provision yun. Baka ituloy na yun. Baka ituloy doon, magkakaroon din ng sariling sunset provision.
So, ibig sabihin,
may sunset provision yung EO94.
Opo. So, ibig sabihin, itong ICI ang makakonvert to IPC or i-absorb na lang yung ng IPC whatever the findings were?
Pwede. Depende. Tingnan natin ang kalalabasan sa after the technical working group, after they have put everything together and the report that will be done by the chairman. I think that question should be thrown to the chairman. I'm the author of the principal letter. He's going to be the sponsor. He's going to be the principal sponsor, and I'm sure he will rewrite it. Okay?
Thank you.